Inmates confined on Alcatraz, however, heard their sound a lot more than that. First thing that happens in the morning, they get up, they get ready for breakfast. Before they're able to go into the dining hall to eat their breakfast, they hear this. They finish eating breakfast. They come back in here to the cell house to get ready for their job assignment. Over and over and over again. Every part of an inmate's day on Alcatraz was punctuated by that sound. It was appropriate. Now, of course, that sound, that's the general meaning of it, but it did mean different things to different folks out here on Alcatraz. Take a look at the cells in front of you. It's a small, tight, confined space. Inmates spent most of their days in that space. And for most of them, that was torture, but for a few of them, that meant something very different. For a few of them, when they heard this sound, the sound of these doors closing, that was the sound of safety. Think about it. Not every inmate got along with every other inmate. When are you most likely to be attacked? For a correctional officer, this sound was the sound of danger. That was when the correctional officers needed to be most on alert. You don't have to worry about the inmates so much when they're confined in these cells, but when they come out of them, again, that's when trouble is most likely to occur. These cells were installed here on Alcatraz, these cell door mechanisms, for the very first time. This was the first facility in the world to get these remotely operated cell doors. Very good at keeping people confined, at forcing people to hear the message that the Bureau of Prisons designed right into them. And when I say designed, I mean that very, very literally. You know what we heard? Almost nothing at all. A light, kind of metal moving sound, but not this deep, heavy noise. These cover plates actually act as an amplifying box for the sound happening behind them. To yourself, do me a favor, stop for a moment, and think about what it would have meant for an inmate confined on Alcatraz if they were hearing these doors slammed shut for the very last time. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for coming out to Alcatraz tonight. On behalf of the National Park Service and the Golden Gate National Parks Conservancy, I hope you've had a wonderful evening here on the Rock. This has been Sound of the Slammer.